Bangkok, Thailand's capital, is a large city known for ornate shrines and vibrant street life. Bangkok is known for its street life and cultural landmark. Its sites, attractions, and city life appeal to diverse groups of tourists. Royal palaces and temples, as well as museums, constitute its major historical and cultural tourist attractions. Bangkok is as intoxicating as it is diverse, a melting pot of exotic aromas, interesting sights, and visual delights. It is a city of infinite layers which you need to explore to reveal its hidden secrets. When you visit Bangkok, make sure to allow enough time to see some of the treasures that have given this city iconic status. Shopping and dining experience offer range of choices. A sensational culinary journey and taste experience awaits you in Bangkok. Aside from renowned Thai cuisine with its blend of spicy, sour, bitter, and sweet food,